Check it out. We're at the top of the castle. It's alright, isn't it? Crazy, isn't it? A little walking taste test, see how it goes. There's a cat, look. Hello. Oh, wow. Microsoft offices. And right underneath someone's getting a bit of sleep. So check it out. Guess where we are? We're at the top of a rope climb in Montevideo. Amazing, isn't it? Check this out, look. There's a guy here. I don't know who it is, it doesn't say. We're in a dog park. People put their dog poop. One of them has pee in it. It's weird, no? Anyway, check out the little seafront here. It's not bad, is it? Look at that. We got local news reporting on some dogs running in the park. That's how you know nothing happens. The woman's there with a microphone. The guy is there with his camera, and they're just filming dogs running up and down. You know, sometimes no news is good news. You know, it's better than having political debates, drama about guns, school shootings, things like that. Why not film a dog in a park? I'd rather wake up to seeing a dog running in a park than whatever else I see in America anyway. American news is nuts. Wow. So just like anywhere else around here, check it out. You can always play football. Wherever you go in Latin America, there's always a place to play. It's not a bad area, is it? Look at that. It's so peaceful, it feels so safe. And not really that busy either. There's not many people living in old Uruguay. Especially the capital. Look how kind of empty it is. Check it out, look. It's so random because everything looks new around here. Then I just see a horse and cart. Just horse and cart collecting trash. Random, isn't it? Hey doggo. Anyway, I have pomelo Cero. I'm thinking that's just no sugar, right? But it's white. So we're gonna do a little walking taste test, see how it goes. Oh, what do you think of random streets here? They all have these kind of tiled pavements here. People dress smart. The shops look quite nice. Are you sure we're in Latin America? It feels so random and weird. It feels like I'm in Europe. Tastes like grapefruit, but not strong grapefruit, like a weak grapefruit. Approved! Approved, not bad. And there's a guy looking at me. Hello, hello. Hello, Montevideo. So I got my bag of yogurt again. I was wondering, while I was walking back, I see a lot of people in nice clothing, shopping. Obviously they got some money. I mean, if you earn Uruguayan pesos, then you spend or Uruguayan pesos, then it's normal, right? You only feel the cost if you come from a country where 90 Uruguayan pesos is a lot of money for a 2-liter bottle of soda, right? For me, coming from America, coming from England, it's a lot of money for a 2-liter soda. But I'm not earning pesos, you know? I don't work here, so it's a different ratio. Anyway, what I'm wondering is there like a rich-poor divide here? I don't know if anyone's been to South Africa. You have a lot of rich people, a lot of poor people, and not many people in the middle. So you get like the two-class sort of rivalry, the fighting, and it introduces a lot of stealing, for example. Like in Argentina, there's a lot of stealing there. I was wondering if it was similar here. I'm not really sure, because like I say, I see a lot of people in nice clothing, look like they're doing well for themselves. And then I see people sleeping on cardboard boxes, you know. I don't see many people in the middle. Is that a thing? I don't know, I'm curious. Question. There's a cat, look. Hello. Oh, wow. Never meet friendly cats. It's always friendly dogs. Oh, maybe I'll touch it with this because I'm allergic. Hello. What are you doing now? A little Montevidean cat. Are you hungry? I only have peanuts and yogurt. The cats like peanuts. Maybe I'll offer him a peanut. What are you doing, huh? Oh dear. It looks like I have some company. It's not a bad little pool, is it? I think they've just finished it, actually. Oh, that's what we needed in the UK a few decades ago. Like little iron bars on the drain covers. I might as well talk and walk, right? So in the UK, when I was younger, it was bad luck to walk across 3 drains in a row. Sometimes you get 1 drain, 2, then 3. And it was bad luck, so you used to walk on 2, then jump the last one or walk around them. And I was wondering why that was, you know. And it was because when the whole the whole deal with Northern Ireland happened, people used to put bombs under the drains, and perhaps when you get 3 drains in a row, it was easier to get a bomb in there or something. And so when you step on the drain, it would go boom, and that's it. At least that's what someone told me when I visited Ireland. But sounds like we needed those iron bars, huh? Anyway, we're coming up to a modern castle here, look. Very modern. Check it out. Look at that. Castle in a park. It feels like I'm in LA or Vegas or something. They have a lot of these, a nice cycle path. A lot of these buildings they make with wood. They kind of plaster the outsides, and you magically have a castle after 2 weeks of building. So yeah, it's funny, isn't it? But yeah, nice park here anyway. Maybe we can take a look. Check it out. We're at the top of the castle. We have a strategic little rectangle there for firing our arrows. A plethora of arrows at the oncoming enemy. Maybe she can be my enemy, look. She looks like she's causing trouble on her phone. Unbelievable. Wow. Have a look. It's alright, isn't it? It's a good price as well, really good price. It's free. Oh, look how close the electric fence is. Just not a bad little castle. Not a bad park either. Look at that. Wow. So some nice little spots in old Montevideo. You got to dig around a bit, but yeah, it's nice. Still reminds me of Belgium, but nice. Check it out, look what I just saw next to the castle. A statue of William Tell from, I think he's Swiss, no? Switzerland? I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I think so. Swiss statue in Montevideo. It's cool, isn't it? Look at this. It's a nice city park, isn't it? You can sit there, chill, eat your triangle sandwiches, look at some palm trees. It's not bad at all. A lot of graffiti, but nowhere near as much graffiti as Santiago, bloody hell. But yeah, it's a nice park. So I still cannot get over the fact that this is in South America. It's crazy, isn't it? I mean, in a very good way, obviously. I mean, look. It's quiet, it's peaceful. No one's trying to sell me anything every 30 seconds. It's just feels like I'm in Europe. So yeah, I just can't believe it, to be honest. Wow. So what are the top three things facing, top three problems facing Uruguay, facing, the capital? I don't know. Comment below. But America, everyone knows about America, right? They hog the news. Guns, politics, all that stuff. UK, knife crime, it's got to be up there. Cancel culture, definitely up there. I'm trying to think of a third one. Probably rising energy costs right now. Rising costs in general, really. I think my biggest problem with the UK was you work your job, you get your money at the end of the month, and then 40% of it goes for taxes. Obviously depends what you earn, but if you earn over, I think 40 or 50k a year, 40% goes for taxes, gone. And then you pay your bills, your energy bill, your gas bill, your water bill, you pay for your car, the petrol for the car, and then at the end of all of that, you have a nice job. There's nothing left. Once you buy your food, maybe you can go out on a night out once or twice a month, then there's nothing. The government takes it all. So I think that was my biggest problem living in the UK. There's not much free money left over at the end of the month. You're working your ass off 37.5 hours a month, a week. And there's not much left over. Obviously it depends what your job is, what you do, but that was my biggest problem. But what about here? What's the common person's biggest problem here? Let me know. I have no idea, but looks quite nice. Not much drama, look. No drama going on. Obviously the capital isn't a great representation of a country. Sometimes you step into the suburbs and it changes completely, but it's just, I'm only basing it on what I see, so check it out. It's the embassy of the United States of America. It looks like a parking lot, doesn't it? Like a grid. Huh? So a little experiment there. I knew they would be super serious, and they were. They were like, "Hey, no filming. Why are you filming the embassy?" I'm like, "No, I'm filming me. The embassy's just in the background." But no, super serious. I figured as much, but yeah, he also said, "Oh, you shouldn't film the police as well in Montevideo." Maybe it's true. It's okay in Peru, it was okay in Chile. Maybe they don't like it here, I'm not sure. But yeah, interesting. In London we film the police all the time. Sometimes they do selfies with us, it's great. But every country's different, But now we know. I'm actually surprised about the amount of things you can do here. Like in the public parks, there's so many outdoor gyms and basketball hoops and parks in general. I mean, that swing's broken, but most things work, So yeah, really, really impressed. So this is what I was saying earlier. How you have these nice big buildings like Microsoft offices. and right underneath someone's getting a bit of sleep. So I've seen that a lot over the whole city, by the beach, in the city centre, especially at night time as well. You see it a lot more. So that's why I said earlier, it seems like there's a big social divide. I'm probably wrong, but I'm just saying what I see. So I was using my hotel guy's towel for a sweaty workout, so I'm going to try and hide it so he doesn't notice, and then try and wash it or something. These are the things I get myself caught up in. Look at this. So the people I'm staying at, they just gave me this. He says it's a torta frita. It's called something else in Chile, and kind of looks like Peruvian cachanga, you know. I think it's some sort of bread. But yeah, we're gonna try it. It's like a small child, isn't it? Like a wawita. Alright, let's get it in the microwave. It's good. It's like a naan bread, but better. And crispier. Yeah, I think the problem with naan is it's not that crispy. And when it is crispy, it's not that good, but... Torta frita. Approved. Be good with some bacon and some beans, I think.